welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell, today is a beach day. My hair is up, got my nails done, and I'm wearing this one piece. I'll show you the full fit when we get there, but as of right now we're just chilling at home. I'm going to actually eat breakfast right now. Oof. I'm actually gonna eat breakfast right now, and after that we're going to go pick up a friend, and then we're gonna be on our way to the beach. This beach is actually an hour away. Even though we have beaches that are closer, we decided to go to this one because the water is just so it's beautiful. I love the water and it's just so nice. So that's why we're going to that one. And so yeah, I'm going to just start eating breakfast and then we'll be on our way. So this is breakfast. Anyways, this is breakfast. Sorry, don't mind the noise. It's the robot cleaning. It's just leftover Denny's. It's the, what's this called? The cinnamon roll pancake. Yeah. Sorry, we're on our way to, actually we're not going to the beach yet. We have to go drop something off at someone's house, and then we're gonna go pick up our friend, and then we're gonna be off at the beach. So yeah, and I'm just gonna go outside and sunbathe for a little bit, cause why not? It's so loud in there. Ooh, it's so bright outside. Ooh. Oof. Can't see, it's so bright outside, but we're gonna go drop the stuff off, and then I'll check back in when we're on the road. So yeah, let's just say hi. Say hi. What a loser.
Does it? If I don't have anything, everything is because of you. Just to let you know.
Hello.
Oh, I look good in that.
Hi, say hi. Hi.
You vlogging?
Yeah, just a little bit. You know, just a little bit. That means we're at the beach. Admission is $8 for a vehicle. Dang, I was really hoping nobody would be here today. But what was it? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we actually got in the water.
Look, we just got here and you talk about some Set up what? What's so funny?
Where are you, Krista?
Listen, I got off at 11. I didn't come home till 11:30. I was tired, okay?
What do you mean?
You mean 11 last night?
Yes.
Oh,
okay. I thought you meant 11 today.
Don't come to the beach no more.
It says you're driving near Yellow Trail. What the heck is Yellow Trail?
It was like, we'll be there at like 12.
Boy.
What?
That's
That's
why you can't play with stuff with black people, bruh.
Bruh, I had my alarm set to 8, but I kept snoozing. Man, I was so tired.
Girl, Krista, you could have woken up at like 9.
Jesus.
10. Even.
I didn't even get up at 11 because the Mataxales want to stay after shopping after 11, and I can't leave until everybody is gone.
Okay.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Well,
hurry up.
so
Yes, ma'am.
Step on it, bruh.
You see,
So we
it's
just
already,
won't-
you see, a whole minute has passed, so now it would be 24 minutes.
boy.
You're stupid, bruh.
Make sure you have the cash ready, bro.
Oh yeah, it's $8, bro.
Cash?
Yes, I said that in the text.
Cash?
The crystal!
We told you that last night.
You don't read the text messages?
I never see the text messages.
No.
I can't, bruh. I
No.
can't.
Okay.
Okay, let's find some cash.
Oh, Jesus. So that's going to be another delay, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're going to be in probably the same corner that, you know.
Yeah, I have no idea because I wasn't there.
Oh yeah, she wasn't there.
there.
So
I
just...
the location. I know you are.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. And just call us, you know, if you get lost.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
All right.
All right.
All right then, guys.
And be
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. Now where?
So,
Okay,
we're
so
gonna
we're
put
gonna
these
go
in the
out.
trunk, and I'll just take the car key.
Black people, I'd say.
Yeah, we'll put our stuff in the trunk. Take the car key and everything else. Wait. Wait. I just need my phone and the key. All right, here you go.
Wow.
And then we got to put on the sunscreen. I'll see you on the water.
Where we want to go? Where we want to go?
Guys, we're at the beach. This is the bikini. Nisha, hold that real quick. And like pan. I am so tired. The waves, woo! Those waves are no joke over there, bruh. I done lost it. I'm about to lose my voice. What the heck? Wait, you guys want to say hi to the vlog?
Girl, we embrace it.
I say hi.
We're embracing it over
Hi.
here.
Hi. Chris, how you want to say hi?
Hi.
Those are who we were waiting for. Done took about an hour to get here. Wait. Oh, I'm tired. Them waves were no joke. Ooh. I wish I could show them. Okay, guys, we are done with the beach. Those waves basically destroyed us. One of them almost died like 3 times. but it was so fun. I wish I could have showed you guys, but I did not bring like a tripod or anything. So yeah. But now we're just going to rinse off, and then we're gonna go to Ruby Tuesday. Yeah. We've officially made it to Ruby Tuesday. Honestly, I've never had Ruby Tuesday, so yeah, we'll see how it goes, how it tastes. So yeah. Listen, we just came back from Ruby Tuesdays.
Oh, man.
Overall, I would give it. What do you give Ruby Tuesdays?
A 0. Bro, what?
I would give it.
You know what? I'll give it a 1 because the mozzarella and the Tik Tok.
The mozzarella sticks were good.
I'm gonna give it
My
a 2,
burger was
just because of
alright.
that.
My burger was alright. And my
Never
tots
again.
were good. I would give it like a 3. 3 out of 5. Because my stuff was good.
I would've
For
rated
y'all,
it 6 out of 10.
y'all got some other stuff, but yeah. I'm tired. I want to go to sleep,
Alright, thank you.
and like I still gotta go out after this, so gotta put my seatbelt. Wait. There's a stop sign. But yeah, I'm so tired. I want to go take a nap. I'm tired and I'm sleepy. I think I should invite the autos. Speed bumps. But yeah, so that was the day. That was the trip. It was really fun. The beach was fun, even though we almost died. I have a headache.
Oh, don't say beat me up.
I have a headache, but yeah. I'll see you guys later. Peace.